Hello guys, we've delivered your token of love to your gorgeous Trudha Chaudhary. Guys, enjoy your gift segment.
Yes, I'm very excited. Birthday, I mean, it's never too late to open birthday presents. Thank you so much, guys. I'm about to open this. तो देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. This is I can see from the United States or something. It's a wow, Hema Prasad. Thank you, Hema. I've received your package, and now let's see what's inside. Wow, more surprises. Yellow. The pyar se she has packed. Oh my God, there's so many goodies. I see a card. I'm going to read that first. Happy 2017. Hope to see you in some new projects. All the very best. All the very best. Hema, thank you so much. You'll see me really soon. I promise you that. Wow. Oh, how sweet. It's a laser pen. Isn't it nice?
So you love writing?
I love to write. Wow. So this is a laser. So definitely I can have a fun time. I travel a lot, तो ये मेरे काम बिल्कुल आएगा. मैं गुम हो गई तो I can just call for my. Nice. Oh God, another pen. You really know me well. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful pen. As they say, pen is mightier than the sword. So this is quite nice, I would say. So now I see a very interesting thing. A card to Trudha from Hema. I love cards. Thank you. मन नहीं करता ऐसे फाड़ने का, but I'm sorry. I have to do this. Really sorry about that, Hema. Beauty is more than what meets the eye. Beauty starts in the heart of a woman who knows how truly special she is. It radiates from the smile she shares with the people in her life. Could you pass the small... Okay. To Trudha. And it shines in the way she makes the world a lovelier place to be. Happy birthday to a woman who's beautiful from the inside out. Loved your performance in the Hellies and all your ad work. Wishing you a truckload of success in your future works. Wish you a very, very happy new year. Lots of love and best wishes, Hema Prasad. Thank you, Hema. You have a wonderful year ahead. I mean, I think New Year is a time when all of us are really excited. And I love the card. It's very pretty. Thank you so much. And of course, it doesn't end here. There's a whole Ziploc full of gifts. Oh, so cute. She sent me beautiful earrings from Claire. I'll wear it and show it to you someday. Very pretty. Wow. There are loads and loads of earrings. Eiffel Tower. Now you know me. And we have owls and feathers. I'm going to a beach vacation soon for a beach vacation. So ये बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. Yeah, काम आएगी. Thank you so much. Can't send balloons, so I sent this mini one. You can also decorate Christmas tree with it. Definitely, Hema, I will use this for Christmas. And Merry Christmas to you in advance and all of you people watching this. Very thoughtful, I must say. This is something I was looking forward to. A mini calendar. It has all my pictures from the trip which I just recently went for Europe. And I must say, this is really sweet, Hema. I love personalized gifts. I think they have a very unique touch to it. Because, you know, बाकी चीज़ें तो आप definitely दे सकते हो. But when somebody makes an extra effort to personalize a gift, I love it. I'm excited to see November में क्या है. It's my birthday month. She's given me the traditional ethnic. I love it. Thank you so much, Hema. Last but not the least, a beautiful yellow pen. Yellow, the color of success.
You can sign your brother.
Actually, I would love to write. One of my fans, they've also gifted me a very beautiful diary. I think it's this one. A very pretty diary. Very thoughtful कि उनको पता है कि I like to write. And I think now this pen goes with it. Wow, it has my personalized initial Trudha written यहाँ पे. So yeah, I'll be writing, penning down all my thoughts and of course, signing projects. I basically travel. So when I travel, it's not about just clicking pictures and seeing the place. I see it in a very different way. So I might be sitting under a tree and writing whatever comes to my mind, looking at the scenery. It does not have to be what's happening out there. It could be what I want to happen there. Okay. Like I remember I used to read Famous Five as a child. Okay. So there was one place in Ibiza I had gone. Everybody was almost cliff diving. So वहाँ पे cliff था and everybody was jumping into the water. I was really feeling like, should I do it or not? And then I thought of writing. That what if I could have done that? So I was, under that exactly shade of the tree. There was like blue Mediterranean in front of me. I was enjoying the people, watching the people do that. And I was visualizing and penning down as if I'm doing it, So in a very nice visualistic manner. So yeah, I just pen down whatever comes to my mind. नहीं this is actually a stress buster for me. तो जब भी सेट पे कुछ ना कुछ, इनफैक्ट अगर मेरे पास पेन और पेपर नहीं भी रहता है, my diary is not there, I type it in my iPhone. So बाद में इसे पॉइंटर्स बना के I write down. क्या होता है आप जब बह जाते हो किसी चीज़ में, so is there in your head. Later you want to pen it down. So I draw the pointers and I later put it down. No, I really like people, and there's another thing, dancing as well. So if I miss my, workout session or something like that, then I just put on some music, whichever beat, feels good to me, and I just dance. It does not have to be choreographed. Kuch bhi, man mein jo hai. And it's a very good thing to do. So any of you feeling really stressed out, put on the music and just dance. It'll relax you like nothing. So like I said, मुझे personalized gifts बहुत पसंद है. This is something which has been sent and I was really touched. It is a beautiful pendant and it has Tridha written. I have to see which way is the correct one. Yes, it has Tridha written. So definitely I love wearing jewelry and pendants and everything. So I will definitely wear this and post on my social media. So this is something I really liked. And another thing is very unique is this, a personalized phone cover. Yeah, so this is definitely something, it has like Tridha 22, like people jerseys pehante, like with favorite numbers and all. So this is my birth date, so Tridha 22 and one very cute purple is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, thank you for this. I think this is the feeling, see, birthdays are always special. You have your relatives, you have your family and loved ones who come. It's all the more special when you have people whom you do not know personally and they are very excited to just, wish you, see what's happening on your birthday or just, they're just praying for you. They're there for you. So this is something that really excites me. Jaise this year, the whole Delhi's gang surprised me. So I was very stunned. Suddenly I come back home, मैं सिद्धिविनायक जाती हूँ. I'm very religious. So I came back after lunch and, सिद्धिविनायक, I came back home. And then I suddenly see decorations were done. This wall was a little done up. I'm like, what is this for? Mom said, nahi, aise, just like that. It's your birthday. I said, okay. Then one cake comes and then a second cake comes and aise karke I got 5 birthday cakes and the whole Delhi's gang, shows up ek ke baad ek. I was very touched. Everybody shooting but unhone time nikal ke. And as far as fans are concerned, I think they are the people who motivate us like anything. I think a year back, I was just a girl who, was in college and studying. So this love and this entire thing is kind of new to me. I mean, and I'm really, really deeply touched by that. It motivates me to go further.
Hope your love has been received by Tridha. Keep sending your love and we promise it to deliver it to your favorite stars. Don't forget, for more updates on your favorite shows, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best.
Hi guys, this is Tridha and you're watching me on India Forums.
Ashima Chavda, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.